First of all, I have a poor foundation on maths since junior form. So when I tried to study the current math DSE, it was really hard since I have to go to enhanced topics, which is really hard without the foundation.
Outside tuition, I've seen that the teachers just keep talking, they keep doing work, they get homework. It's like always stressed out. But then here I learn, I also feel relaxed, and it's like the perfect environment.
I was facing a lot of challenges when it comes to maths because maths is my weakness. I want to improve on my maths. After joining the study group, I've honestly improved in different kind of aspects when it comes to different topics.
I used to be the first batch who joined this study group. Being EM, it was so difficult for me to find like a maths tutor outside. I just want to help my juniors by joining this DSE tutor group so that they will overcome the challenges that I faced during my DSE time.
When it came to my first term exam, I actually did pass my exam. Knowing that for the past 5 years I have been failing, it truly was so grateful for me knowing that I did it myself.
I was only predicted at 2, but then now my maths increased a lot. As soon as I see the question, I already understand immediately, and I think it had really helped.
And back in my earlier classes, they were like, oh, I just want to get level 2 or like a pass. After providing a lot of lesson materials and everything, they will be more confident to solve them. They will ask me for any tips or any like materials that I can provide them so that they can effectively tackle the challenge. So this is like a really important shift that I see in their mindset, in their mentality, and in their beliefs as well.
It changed my perspective of learning. You have to be in an environment where everyone is willing to learn. This is not like you come here for a day or two, like your math skills will improve by a lot. You have to put in discipline and time and coming to this place and actually putting effort, and that's how your prediction score will improve, like how it did mine.
The setup is really good because all students from different schools, they come together and then they can help each other whenever they face difficulties.
Everyone in the room is, I would say, on the same page, like they're all struggling together, so they don't feel alone in that way. The mentors they were all in their shoes at one point, so I think we can relate on how they feel, so that's also helpful.
A lot of schools, since there's like 30 to 40 people in each class, a lot of students don't get like personalized guidance or like personalized feedback, which we can provide, as we have 5 to 10 students in each group. So they're allowed to like get like immediate feedback, which they would lack in a school setting.
The first few days I didn't really talk to anyone because I was like really shy. But then I got like really used to them. I'm like, they're same age as me, so why not be friends with them? Learn from them, learn from their mistakes as well so that I don't make the same. Bonding with them when you like start talking also made me more confident.
I'd say our relationship is friendly and supportive because when I teach, I like to create an atmosphere where they feel safe to ask any questions. And they shouldn't feel embarrassed to make mistakes, and they should also make mistakes to learn. I don't only answer questions, but I also want them to open up about exams or school life so that I can support them and guide them at their own pace.
So it's not just like mathematical in general. Like they were asking me a lot of like university choices, JUPAS insights, or anything regarding like high school or university. So they see us not just like as mathematical tutors, but they are very comfortable with us. They see us as mentors to ask for any advices or any suggestions that they can implement as well.
Even if I'm a slow learner, they're really patient with me. They teach me step by step on how to do things. And this had actually motivated me a lot, where I want to go to the library and study. And it's not only math, I also been studying more of my other subjects that I've been failing.
It helped me not only with my math skills, but also from really diverse workshops. For example, apply on JUPAS, as well as workshops that help you build your character, your skill sets, learn more about different pathways, since going straight to bachelor's degree is not the only pathway there is to reach your dreams.
There are like a lot of important things outside of academics. There are various talks about like mental health. Yeah, they were pretty helpful. So you're not just getting academics, but also like life teaching.
From this DSE group, I have really gained a lot more confidence, but not only that, I felt more happier, and motivation had really struck me through that. If I were to know about this group sooner, I'd actually want to join immediately for this.